rest of our review. Now I want to line parallel to 2x plus 5y equals 10 through point negative 4, 3. So in this case, my parallel line is going to have the same slope. So I can either do a negative a over b, which means negative 2/5 is my slope, or you can solve. You can do 2x plus 5y equals 10. Subtract 2x on both sides. My 5y equals a negative 2x plus 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5. And y equals negative 2/5 x plus 2. So my slope is negative 2/5. Since it's parallel, we're going to use that exact slope, negative 2/5, with the given point. So I'm going to use point negative 4, 3 and slope of negative 2/5. So my point of negative 4, 3 becomes 3 equals negative 2/5 times negative 4 plus b. Now when I multiply here, we get 3 equals negative, or I'm not sorry, not negative, but negative 2/5 times negative 4 becomes a positive 8/5 plus b. I'm multiplying everything by 5. 15 equals 8 plus 5b. We subtract 8, we get 7, and my b is 7/5. So the equation of my line is going to be y equals negative 2/5 x plus 7/5. Now when I go to put that in standard form, I'm multiplying everything by 5. We get 5y equals negative 2x plus 7, and you add 2x to both sides. And my answer is 2x plus 5y equals 7. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 8 and 15 is 7. With this one, perpendicular, I need to find the slope of that line. 3x minus 2y equals 8. Negative 2y equals a negative 3x plus 8. And I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. Y equals 3/2 x minus 4. So my slope is 3/2. I need the opposite reciprocal. So the slope I'm going to really use is negative 2/3. So now I plug that in. So my y equals mx plus b means negative 2 equals negative 2/3 times a negative 1 plus b. Negative 2 equals 2/3 plus b. Multiply everything by 3. We get negative 6 equals 2 plus 3b. From there, I'm going to subtract 2. We get negative 8 equals 3b. And my b is negative 8/3. Now, my equation of my line here, and let me try and keep these all separate, is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 8/3. That's the equation of my line. I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of the fraction. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 8/3. And we get 3y equals negative 2x minus 8. We add 2x to both sides. 2x plus 3y equals a negative 8. And that is my standard form answer. If I plug the numbers in, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And negative 2 and negative 6 is a negative 8. Finally, graphing the lines. I'm subtracting 3x on both sides. 2y equals a negative 3x minus 6. Dividing 2. Y equals negative 3/2 x minus 3. Alright, negative 3 is my y-intercept. My slope of negative 3/2. Up 3, left 2. Oops. Up 3, left 2. Down 3, right 2. And that's what my line should look like. Last one here, we subtract 5x on both sides. Negative 3y equals a negative 5x plus 3. Divide everything by negative 3, and we get y equals 5/3 x minus 1. I'm at negative 1, and I'm going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left 2, 3, and that's what my line should look like. And that's graphing lines, getting the y alone, plotting the y-intercept first, which is -3 and -1 of these two, and then using slope. Remember, negative slopes go through quadrants 2 and 4, positive slopes go through quadrants 1 and 3.